The Superfood Smoothie I'm going to show you is a great refresher, has many brain development properties, and has many disease protective properties, which includes vitamins and minerals. Hey guys, today I'm going to show you Superfood Smoothies. Let's try it. And as you may have all heard the saying, what goes in always reflects back. So we're going to test that out and let's get started. First, we're going to add some bananas to add some natural sweetness into our smoothie. A superfood smoothie needs berries foremost. Sunflower seeds is at the top of the list for superfoods as it has many vitamins and minerals for fighting diseases. Next is some pear. Cucumbers are a great refreshener for your brain. So let's add some of those. An apple, as everyone knows the saying, an apple a day keeps the doctor away. Add some spinach in if you like. Now let's add the ingredients into our mixer. I haven't added the ratios of each ingredient as everyone has different taste buds. You can include the amount of ingredient desired to your taste. Empty the smoothie out into a cup and you're done. Drink this superfood smoothie every day to keep your brain intact and body in shape.